Alright, so I'm going to show you guys a method of how to save your game very simply and easily using this method. It'll save it exactly as it is, everything in place. So if I go to a new game and I hit play, it's going to start a whole new game. Let me just fly through here a little bit and get to a point. Now if I hit back on my phone, or you could use escape if you're on a computer, it brings up the pause screen. I got continue, save and quit, quit. If it continue, it goes back exactly where it was before. Now if I hit the pause menu again, and it brings it up, I can hit save and quit, and it'll save the game. Now from here, if I hit continue, it'll go back exactly where I was. So if I hit quit, and then it doesn't save it, and I hit play, it starts over. Here I can quit, come back, hit continue, it starts back where it was. And this should work. It saves the game to the file on the phone or your computer, whatever you're using. So if you exit the application, it'll work too. Alright, so in my game I've got 3 different rooms here. I've got my starting screen room, which just has play and continue. My second room, which is the playing room. Very important in this room or your level, wherever you're going to be, your character is going to be playing, to check persistent. So instances will be in the same positions. Everything will be the same when you return to the room. And my third room, which is this pause screen menu room, it's got continue, save and quit, and quit. First object I'm going to go over is the pause menu object. Alright, this object is located in your playing room here. So in this object, whenever you press backspace, or you could have escape, whichever key you want to open up the menu with, execute a piece of code, it's going to go to the next room, which is going to be the pause screen room. Okay, so here we're going to the pause screen room, and then it's going to mute the sound. So it does 2 things there. Go to the pause screen. Here we have continue, save and quit, quit. Now if I just hit quit here, or all it's going to do is left press to quit. It's going to unmute the sound, audio stop all. It's going to restart the game. And restarting the game will take it back to the first room. So quit will take you back here. That's pretty much all it does. Restarts the game, turns the sound, unmutes the sound, and those are details you can put with the sound. But main thing is the restarting the game, take you back to this screen. Okay, so I got continue, and it's the same object in both locations. We're just using the same object in both of these places, so on the play screen and on the pause screen, continue. And here, what continue is going to do, left pressed, if we're in the starting room, move this out of the way. Okay, so we're over here in the starting room. It's gonna, if I've saved the game, it's going to load that game. And there's a method to use to make this appear or not appear. You can use global variables to say the game is saved or the game is not saved. But for now, I just have it set up where it's like this. So it'll go to the next room. These are all details as well. These 3 right here are details that you can change. But important thing is that it saves the game. I mean, it loads the save game. And that'll take you back to this screen. I'll show you how it'll get back to this screen when we go over saving. So it'll take you back there. Just know that it'll take you back to the spot that you was. And then if you hit the continue button on the pause screen, it's going to go to the previous room you were at. It's going to unmute the sound. So that's all it's going to do. Just go back and you'll be able to continue playing. Right, so those are the continue buttons, and then the last one is save and quit. Okay, so save and quit on your pause menu, or you can just press save to just save it, however you want to do it. And, those details are up to you, but the order in which you do these are important. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to the previous room. So as soon as you hit the save and quit button, it's going to the previous room. When you get to the previous room, it's going to save it, and then it's going to save exactly where it's at. And then whenever after it does that, it's going to restart the game. So it'll take you back to this room, take you back to this room here, and then it does some stuff with some audio. So go to the previous room, it's going to save the game, then it's going to restart the game. If you don't go to the previous room first, when it saves, it's going to save it on your pause screen. So when you load it, it'll load your pause screen. So it's important to go to the previous room and then save it. So just do it. And just do it in one click. You guys saw how it worked. I believe that covers everything. All right. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope it helps you out. You guys have a good night.